Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share 0 investment strategies to help you launch a profitable business from scratch. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Strategy 1. Leverage your skills. Everyone has unique abilities. Identify your talents and find ways to monetize them. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or coaching, offer your services to clients around the world. Strategy 2. Start an online store. E-commerce is booming. Utilize free platforms like social media and online marketplaces to showcase and sell products. Find suppliers who offer dropshipping, so you don't need to worry about inventory. Strategy 3. Offer freelance services. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with potential clients. Showcase your expertise and bid on projects that match your skills. Strategy 4. Become a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks. Offer your services remotely and assist busy professionals with their day-to-day operations. Strategy 5. Create digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and software are highly sought after. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating digital products and selling them on platforms like Amazon or via your own website. Strategy 6. Collaborate with others. Team up with like-minded individuals to start a joint venture. Pool your resources and skills to launch a business together. Remember, starting a business requires dedication and persistence. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Keep refining your strategies and adapting to changes. Your hard work will pay off. Thanks for watching. We hope these strategies will help you kickstart your business journey without any upfront investment. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.